Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Halo Inc. And hi Jeff. Today I'm going to be showing you an improvement video. So we have a customer who we do a lot of fleet graphics for, and one of the things that we do is we number their vehicles. So this is the original way how we were numbering their vehicles. Is you would open up this template and you would go and let's say the truck number is 15. So we would create the 15 here. Then we'd create outlines, and then we'd have to go into the outline layer and retype in 15 and then create outlines. And the way that we were producing these was 2 layers of vinyl. So we would cut a white layer, which would be applied to the vehicle, and then we'd have these registration marks up here, which would be our alignment for the black layer. A lot of over processing, a lot of excess transportation, a lot of excess motion, wasted employee potential. Basically almost all the ways you could think of. Overproduction, it was really unnecessary. So later I then decided, you know what, we could start printing these. Now we could print them directly into the wrap, but this particular customer sometimes they've had some truck number changes, so we decided that, you know, it would still probably be best to do an overlay of the number. So what I did for the next improvement is I took the number, and over here in appearance I was able to add a stroke to it. So now all you needed to do was double click on it, change the number. Now you get both. We still had these unnecessary registration marks even though it was a print cut, and then you would outline it and then expand the appearance in order to get you know, the full shape here. So then you would copy it, you would merge them together, paste in place, whoops, lock it, and then we didn't even have a spot color set up, so you would have to go in and make a spot color from scratch like that. And then it was ready to save, and you would do the old school way of saving, which was file, save as, and save a PDF. And so the latest improvement that I've made to this template is you come in, you've got all the instructions typed out on how to do it. Change your truck number, Control-Shift-O to outline, expand the appearance. From here you're gonna copy it, you're gonna unite the paths, click on the spot color, which is already set for cut contour, set it to a stroke, Control-Shift-V to paste in place, and you come over here to artboards, which is how we name things. So now you would just name it the order number and product for whatever it is. So it's truck number 15, and now all you need to do is export for screens, Control-Alt-E, choose the appropriate production folder, export artboard, and it's done. And I'm sure that I will be able to find another improvement in here on how to skip that expanding step. So if you have any ideas, please let us know in the comments, but always making progress. Thanks for watching.